Do you ever look in the mirror, running your fingers through your hair and wonder, how can I transform these thin locks into a luscious, voluminous mane? Well, you're not alone. The desire for thicker hair is something many of us share because, let's face it, having that full, gorgeous head of hair can skyrocket our confidence and uplift our self-esteem, whether it's a special occasion, a night out on the town, or just embracing your day-to-day. There's something magical about having hair that exudes health and vitality. But here's the thing, achieving thicker hair isn't just a quest for vanity. It's about embracing the best version of ourselves, boosting confidence and feeling empowered in our own skin. Now, before we get into the secrets that will help you unlock the potential of your hair, let's briefly touch upon the challenges we all face. Factors like diet, genetics, and our styling habits can often stand in the way of the luxurious, thick hair we dream of. But fear not, today we're not just identifying the problems, we're revealing the solutions that will redefine your hair game. So are you ready to bid farewell to thin, lackluster locks and say hello to a head of hair that radiates vitality? Stick around as we uncover the tried and true methods to achieve thicker, healthier hair. Your journey to luscious, voluminous locks starts right here, right now. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that most people overlook. Alright, let's kick things off with the first step on our journey to thicker hair. Nutrition for your hair. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat, and it holds true for our precious locks too. A balanced diet is the foundation for maintaining hair health and promoting growth. When it comes to key nutrients, we've got some hair-loving superheroes on the list: biotin, vitamins A and E, omega-3 fatty acids and zinc. These powerhouses work together to strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair loss and enhance overall hair quality. Biotin, also known as vitamin H, plays a crucial role in promoting hair growth and maintaining texture. Vitamins A and E act as antioxidants, protecting your hair from oxidative stress and promoting a healthy scalp. Omega-3 fatty acids, often found in fatty fish like salmon and chia seeds, add that extra shine and smoothness to your locks. And let's not forget about zinc, a mineral that supports the hair growth process and helps prevent hair thinning. Now you're probably wondering, what should I be munching on to get these amazing nutrients? Well, we've got you covered. For biotin, think eggs, nuts and avocados. Load up on sweet potatoes and carrots for a boost of vitamin A. And indulge in almonds and spinach for vitamin E. To get those omega-3s, include fatty fish like salmon and flax seeds in your diet. And last but not least, zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and chickpeas will do wonders for your hair thickness. So the next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to toss these goodies into your basket. Your hair will thank you later, but of course that's just the beginning. Stick around as we unravel more secrets on our journey to achieving that luscious, voluminous mane. Now that we've fueled our bodies with the right nutrients, let's dive into the second pillar of our journey, establishing a proper hair care routine. This step is a game changer when it comes to achieving that thick, luscious mane we all dream of. First things first, the right shampoo and conditioner can make all the difference, especially for those with thin hair. Opt for products designed to add volume and nourish without weighing your hair down. Look for keywords like volumizing, strengthening, or thickening on the labels. Gentle detangling is another crucial step. Wet hair is more susceptible to breakage, so invest in a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush to minimize damage. And speaking of damage, let's talk heat styling. While it's tempting to reach for those hot tools daily, try to embrace your natural texture more often. Minimal heat styling can significantly improve the overall health and thickness of your hair. Now let's move on to some DIY treatments and masks for an extra boost of thickness. Coconut oil is a superhero in the hair care world. Its moisturizing properties strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and promoting thickness. Aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, can be applied directly to the scalp to nourish hair follicles. And who would have thought that eggs rich in proteins and biotin could work wonders for hair thickness? Now let's walk you through a simple yet effective DIY hair mask. All you need is a tablespoon of coconut oil, a scoop of aloe vera gel and an egg. Mix them well and apply the mask evenly from roots to tips. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse with a mild shampoo. You'll be amazed at the results. But we're not done yet. Before we wrap up, let's address those damaging habits that might be standing in the way of your hair goals. From excessive heat styling to tight hairstyles and chemical treatments, these habits can wreak havoc on your hair, leading to thinning and breakage. It's time to break free from these damaging cycles. Instead of daily heat styling, consider embracing your natural hair texture. Swap tight ponytails for loose styles, and if you're a fan of color, opt for gentler, less damaging alternatives. Remember, these small changes can make a big impact on the thickness and overall health of your hair. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points that will set you on the path to thicker, healthier hair and finish off with a tip that you may not have heard of before. We started with the foundation, nutrition for your hair. Remember to fuel your body with biotin, vitamins A and E, omega-3 fatty acids and zinc through a balanced diet. Those nutrients are your hair's best friends. Next, we emphasize the importance of a proper hair care routine. From the right shampoo and conditioner to gentle detangling and minimal heat styling, these practices will nourish your hair from root to tip. Then we indulged in some DIY treatments and masks, because who doesn't love a good pampering session? Coconut oil, aloe vera and eggs, your go-to ingredients for a homemade hair mask that will leave your locks looking thicker and shinier. And of course, we addressed those damaging habits that may be hindering your hair goals. Small changes like embracing your natural texture and opting for hair-friendly practices can make a world of difference. Now the real magic happens when you take these secrets and incorporate them into your daily routine. We encourage each and every one of you to embrace the potential transformation that awaits. Your hair deserves the love and care you're about to give it. But before you go, one often overlooked yet vital tip for achieving thicker hair is to pay attention to your scalp health. Many people focus solely on the strands themselves, but neglect the foundation from which the hair grows. Keeping your scalp healthy ensures optimal conditions for hair growth. Here's your bonus tip. Regular scalp massages with essential oils can significantly improve scalp health and promote thicker hair growth. Massaging your scalp stimulates blood circulation, which in turn nourishes the hair follicles and encourages healthy hair growth. Additionally, using essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, or lavender during scalp massages can provide added benefits. These oils have properties that help soothe inflammation, balance oil production, and promote hair growth. Incorporating scalp massages with essential oils into your hair care routine can make a noticeable difference in the thickness and overall health of your hair over time. So don't forget to show your scalp some love. It's the root of thick, beautiful hair. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on more tips for radiant hair and beauty. And do let us into any other secrets that you know and use for thick, healthy hair in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure toward thicker, more beautiful hair. We can't wait to see the incredible transformations that await you. Remember, you are already stunning just as you are. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.